Hi, it's Mike from Perfect Vinyl Studio. We make custom decals to help you get professional results on your lettering projects. This video will demonstrate how to install boat registration decals. You can order a set of these decals for your boat. You'll find the link in the description below. You'll need a credit card to use as a squeegee, scissors, and some tape. The decals are supplied on a 3-part strip. There's a thick backing paper with a waxy surface, the vinyl lettering, and a sticky transfer tape to lift the lettering from the backing paper and transfer them to the boat. Before starting, run a credit card over the front side of the decal to ensure good adhesion between the transfer tape and the vinyl letters. Next, lay the decal face down. Test the adhesion between the transfer tape and the letters by peeling the backing paper from the transfer tape at a sharp angle. Observe that the letters remain on the sticky side of the transfer tape. If you see any of the letters not lifting from the backing paper, squeegee the front side again to reset the adhesion. Now you're ready for installation. Clean the boat surface with soap and water and wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol. Next, determine the exact position for the lettering and hold the decal in place with a piece of tape at each end. Then place a length of tape vertically across the center of the decal. Peel the lettering off the backing paper toward the center tape. And cut away the backing paper with scissors. Working from the center, press the decal down with a credit card, working toward the end. Repeat the process on the other side. Squeegee one last time over the letters to ensure a good bond to the boat surface. The final step is to remove the transfer tape to reveal the finished product. Peel back the transfer tape at a sharp angle to the boat surface. That's all there is to it. You can order a set of registration numbers custom made for your boat through my store listing. The link is in the description.